What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, we are right here on Life with Sweet Angel and Mike. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, absolutely, and welcome to Behind the Scenes. Listen, y'all, it's been a minute. Has it not been a minute? So I decided, why not start this video off with a toast? Absolutely. Yeah, well, maybe not a real toast, but what we're gonna do is I got my Sweetwine Club subscription box the other day, but I wanted to make sure that I spend some time with y'all and open it up. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. I just want you to know that I get this subscription. It comes every quarter, I want to say. I'll have all the information down below, which is, you know, if you're a sweet wine lover, this is the subscription box to get. Now it's $49.99, again, every 3 months. So, you know, you don't get it like if you're a regular wine drinker. I mean, like drinking a bottle of wine every week or something. It won't last you long, okay? That was me, but y'all know I'm trying to change my little habits now. So I may not, you know, I'm more than likely not tear into this today, but I wanted to just talk about it and share it with you and let you see what I got into my box. Okay, so this box is so cute. Of course, on the front of it, it just reads Sweetwine Club, and I love that. On this side, here comes the sweet stuff. I love that, y'all. It's just full of goodies all around. I love that. So the link, of course, will be down in the description if you're interested in starting your subscription box. I formerly had another one that was coming, a subscription box of wine, and it came every month, but the wine was not sweet. And a girl, I like sweet wine. Don't give me no dry wine. I love sweet wine. I get this big little poster here or flyer, has some interesting information on it. The Sweetwine Club new Stella Rosa Black Cherry. It talks about the 2021 winter. Okay, you are the first to try it, so I suppose it's probably in this box. I guess it is. I have in this box the Stella Rosa Black Cherry, I have the Stella Rosa Black, and I have the Passa Station Mascotelli. So we're going to be trying that, and there's other things and information that it also has on here about the highlights of 2020, etc. On the back side, what do you get? 2021 checklist. Oh, okay, just gives you some things to do. Practice gratitude, be more kind to yourself by practicing self-care. You know we are all about that. Bake, cook something new. Get your mixologist on. Donate to a cause you care about. Make time for your loved ones, absolutely. Declutter your personal space. Invest in yourself. Yeah. Explore new hobbies and develop a new skill. All about that. So what are we doing here? It actually breaks down what's your cocktail. So we're going to talk about that. Maybe we'll do that in another video. I think that will be interesting, so I can tell you what your cocktail is, okay? So make that on the checklist of my videos to do over here. What's your cocktail, okay? So let me set this aside. And now let's break into the goodies here. Okay, first I see I have a booklet, and the booklet is the cocktail book. How about that? So yes, the cocktail book. Love it. Celebrate it says celebrate convenience. How about that? So in this book, does it give me recipes? Oh honey, you know I love a mixed drink. It does. It gives you mixed drinks. Oh my goodness. So they have their the little can, little flavors and stuff that they also sell, and I need to partake in some of those because you can actually do your mixed drinks. So I love that. And then in this little packet, what do we have? Oh my gosh, it's cocktail recipes. So sip sip hooray. Oh my goodness, y'all, I gotta get the bar back open again. Well, you know, after I do a little shaving off, what you say? Because I promised myself I'm going to do good this time. Okay, it gives you all kinds of recipes. Big old recipe cards. I love that. I'll just put this back in the little packet. So with this box, you also get not only the wines, but you do get some special gifts along with it. And then we have, okay, just information on my wines that I have here. Perfect. Okay, and it gives the recipes along with the particular wines, what to and how to. But let's talk about these wines, and I'll go into more detail as soon as I open this up. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh. All right, so it's packaged real nice. Hopefully you can kind of see just a little bit. It's super heavy for me, so I'm gonna try to raise it so you can see what it looks like in there. Can you see that? Okay, okay. I hear something rolling around in the bottom of there. I hope it's something, a present or something. Y'all know I love presents. Okay, now the first one is the Stella Rosa El Original Black. So the Stella Rosa Black is also known as Black Magic. It says here, slip into your seductive side with Stella Rosa Black, a sultry, semi-sweet, semi-sparkling red blend from the luxury collection. Its unmatched flavor is an iconic blend of blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries with a slight effervescence. And a fun fact about the Black Magic, it states, we create many Stella Rosa varieties so that each unique palate has something to enjoy. However, Stella Rosa Black is voted our fan favorite flavor year after year because the flavor is the most universally enjoyed. How about that? And let me just tell you the taste of the Black, Stella Rosa Black. The taste is a sultry, semi-sweet, semi-sparkling red blend, again, of blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. And this will pair great with manchego cheese, barbecue wings, dark chocolate, souffle, walnut ice cream. And that is the Stella Rosa Black Magic. Then we have the Paso Station Mascotelli. So the Paso Station Mascotelli, so good. You must cat call. I don't get that. You must cat call. I don't know. But anyway, the description says the Paso Station Mascotelli is a simple yet satisfying semi-sweet wine which consists of California-grown Muscat grapes, juicy peaches, and ripe apricots. The bright blend is the perfect wine to bring along your next picnic and enjoy with fresh fruit and charcuterie. The fun fact about the Paso Station Mascotelli is that it is the only fine wine grape that doubles as a table grape. Enjoy a glass over ice. And it states here that it pairs well with antipasta salad, spicy grilled chicken, strawberry cheesecake, and lemon bars. And this last one is the Stella Rosa El Original Black Cherry. So this one is new to the Sweetwine Club, and I'm so glad to be one of the first to try it out here and tell you about it. It is the Stella Rosa Black Cherry. It says cherish the moment. The description of this one says Stella Rosa Black Cherry is the newest flavor and addition to our luxury line, grown in the beautiful Piedmont region of Italy. You can taste the meticulous craftsmanship in each glass. Its sweet taste has a touch of acidity, making it the perfect semi-sweet balance of bold and juicy cherry flavor. The fun fact about the Stella Rosa Black Cherry is that it states, "We've been eating cherries since the Stone Age. Archaeologists have discovered fossilized cherry pits in the prehistoric caves throughout Europe. And this amazing wine would pair well with Asiago cheese, turkey burgers, fudge brownies, and pistachio cookies." And as a matter of fact, there are recipes on the back of the informational card that will give you recipes for the Italian pistachio cookies, also for some barbecue sauce and wings, and a broccoli Waldorf salad. Okay, now let me see what's down in here rolling around. Ah, okay. And Maddie had asked me, did you get another lip balm? You know, she can't drink the wines, but she loves their lip balms. This is a Stella Rosa Stella Peach Premium Lip Moisturizer. So that is so nice. And it looks like we have a magnet or two. You're very beautiful. That's cute. You're very beautiful, beautiful babes. That is me. I like that. And then there is another like refrigerator magnet, and this one says the Sweetwine Club. So that's what we have here, and I think that is it. So beautiful babes, thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. Thank you so much for hanging out on this unboxing of my Stella Rosa sweet wines. Absolutely, I love them, and I know they're sweet, and I know they're good, so I don't even have to worry about that. But if you're interested in starting your Sweetwine Club up, check the links below. Definitely, yes, I would love to know how you enjoy your wines. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Please, if you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Hit the post notification bell. Don't cost you nothing. And y'all will keep on sharing your girl with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.
Ooh, baby, people would try.